Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on social science MCQ based questions of unit development. First question: economic development as an improved in economic welfare defined by option A Colin Clark, option B Meyer, option C Baldwin, option D Amartya Sen. The correct answer is option A Colin Clark. Next question: ensuring that every person is benefited by the process of development is option A inclusive development, option B continuous development, option C sustainable development, option D long period development. The correct answer is option A inclusive development. Next question: the aim of economic development is option A increase the welfare of people, option B increase the per capita income, option C increase the national income, option D commercial development. The correct answer is option A increase the welfare of people. Next question: India ranked in HDI in 2014 was option A 125, option B 135, option C 155, option D 145. Next question: the correct answer is option B 135. Next question: the main aim of Women's Self-Help Group is option A to provide political reservation, option B to increase the literacy of women, option C empowerment of women, option D economic empowerment of women. The correct answer is option C empowerment of women. Next question: the value of goods and services produced in a year is called as option A national income, option B per capita income, option C revenue income, option D total income. The correct answer is option A national income. Next question: the expansion of HDI is option A Human Development Index, option B Women Development Index, option C Human Development Indicator, option D Human Development Institution. The correct answer is option A Human Development Index. Next question: a backward and stagnant situation in development is considered as option A backwardness, option B stagnation, option C underdevelopment, option D development. The correct answer is option C underdevelopment. Next question: India is prominent option A developed country, option B underdeveloped country, option C backward country, option D developing country. The correct answer is option D developing country. Next question: the average income of the people of a country is option A national income, option B per capita income, option C family income, option D personal income. The correct answer is option B per capita income. Next question: the major indicator of development is option A national income, option B per capita income, option C economic development index, option D human development index. The correct answer is option D human development index. Next question: the age till which the people of a country can expect to survive is called option A life expectancy, option B fertility rate, option C long term survive, option D mortality rate. The correct answer is option A life expectancy. Next question: standard of living is measured by option A national income, option B per capita income, option C purchasing power, option D life expectancy. The correct answer is option A national income. Next question: the HDI of India in 2014 is option A 0.554, option B 0.586, option C 0.334, option D 0.203. The correct answer is option B 0.586. Next question: India ranked in HDI in 2012, option A 135, option B 125, option C 136, option D 126. The correct answer is option C 136. Next question: the number of females per thousand males is option A fertility rate, option B mortality rate, option C literacy rate, option D sex ratio. The correct answer is option D sex ratio. Next question. Sex ratio reveals option A number of females, option B number of males, option C the treatment meted out to women in a society, option D development of women. Correct answer is option C the treatment meted out to women in a society. Next question. Sex ratio of India according to 2011 census. Option A 945, option B 942, option C 940, option D 944. The correct answer is option A 945. Next question. Life expectancy of India as per 2012 is option A 58.6, option B 65.8, option C 68.5, option D 85.6. The correct answer is option B 65.8. Thank you for watching the video.